Hey guys, how you doing? This is Anthony Chiapponi, Senior Product Manager with ILUMINARC. And today we have another behind the build for you, and we're going to be talking about the LΩGIC wall controller. So this is the back of the wall con. This is going to fit US and European outlets due to the size. We have interchangeable front panels here that come in the box with a wall controller. We've got an in and out right there, so you can daisy chain these. And right here we've got a dip switch. So this is something that's going to allow you to set your dip switch setting. And this is going to show up in the drive software itself, so you can link it to the appropriate zone. And then we've got 8 playback scenes and plus and minus brightness controller on the front. And what's nice about this is this little trim comes off, and you can set your own labels if you wanted to. But what I have set up right here, we have 8 simple playbacks. I've got red, green, blue, magenta, and then I've got a few preset white playbacks. I'm going to show you how they work. So if I hit the red right here, you can see how the red just fades in really smoothly. And if I press it one more time, we've got a nice fade out as well. And what I've set up here is when I have the red come up, I can switch between the colors, and we have a nice quick transition between those. We've got green, we've got blue, we've got magenta. And if I fade the magenta out, on 5, I went ahead and programmed a nice simple warm white at about 2700 degrees Kelvin. See, we have that really smooth fade up right there. All right, and if I kill that, bring up 6, we start cooling off on the color temperatures right there. And all I'm doing right here is from my lighting controller, I'm taking advantage of the preset color temperatures. I'm just bringing that single fader up, adjusting my intensity, and I go right to the front of the menu here, and I go to the record menu and I say record. I recorded the appropriate one that I want to save it on, and then it automatically will play back here on the wall controller. This is really simple. Anyone can get this going. So again, I move on, go to 7 here. So we got a little bit cooler. I'm at about 6500 degrees Kelvin. And if I move up to 8 here, this is about 8000 degrees Kelvin. And what I want to show you real quick while I have this running, we have direct control. So I can go ahead and dim this down if I'd like, or I can bring it right back up. And what's cool is that each one of these scenes, they actually save that brightness. So if I were to bring this at full here, all right, and if I were to kill that, it's a nice smooth transition on the out. But when I bring it back in, it's gonna play back at that same intensity because it remembers the intensities that you set it up at. Thanks for your time taking a look at the wall controller from LΩGIC. Stay tuned for more behind the builds from ILUMINARC coming soon.